BIMSTEC summit, with his visit also all set to bolster relations between New Delhi and Bangkok. During his time in Thailand, Prime Minister Modi will engage with the Thai leadership, including Prime Minister Shinawatra, to explore ways to enhance bilateral ties. The Prime Minister has been given a grand welcome by the Indian community in Thailand. In fact, the PM will also be joining the BIMSTEC leaders from Thailand, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Myanmar and Bhutan to oversee signing of the agreement on maritime cooperation in the evening. Well, this of course is the first physical meeting of BIMSTEC leaders after the summit in Kathmandu. In fact, interestingly, the summit will bring PM Modi face-to-face with Nepal PM KP Sharma Oli and Bangladesh Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus amongst others. These are visuals which have come in of a red carpet welcome for Prime Minister Modi, a ceremonial welcome being accorded to the Prime Minister on his arrival in Bangkok. Well, remember, of course, PM Modi and his Thai counterpart Shinawatra are scheduled to visit Wat Pho as well, one of the top 6 temples in Thailand that is famous for its massive reclining Buddha statue during his visit to Thailand. My colleague Brian Thomas, in fact, is covering the BIMSTEC summit in Thailand. He's spoken with members of the Indian diaspora on the PM's visit.
Well, NewsX and NewsX World is in Bangkok and we are covering everything that's happening. We are also covering the BIMSTEC where the Prime Minister will be coming in a while, and we are also joined by a few very special guests who are the Indian delegates who are waiting eagerly for the Prime Minister. Ma'am, my very first question to you would be, how are you excited? How excited are you the Prime Minister will be coming? What is the moment for you now?
For us, it's almost like once in a lifetime moment to greet the Prime Minister of the largest democracy. So we are all extremely excited. You can see all of us. We're all here well dressed to receive him, and we've been waiting here since morning. So extremely excited, definitely.
And what it means for both the relationship of India and Thailand in terms of the friendship, the historical connection that they have, how stronger will it be after this very visit and after BIMSTEC?
See, it's besides Thailand and India relationship, other 5 nations, so they are all together. So I'm sure there is going to be an immense improvement in relationship. Because as I always say, one is safe, the other is safe. So yes, we are all going to be collaborating, and it is going to impact each one of us. More opportunities, more cultural exchange, more academic exchange. So yes.
And also, ma'am, I'll also be asking you what it means for the Indian diaspora who are living here in Thailand from India itself.
It's a great moment of pride for us to be able to meet our respected Honorable Prime Minister today. We are super excited, as you can see. And it is also because, his connect with the Indian diaspora outside of India is so immense that we are always looking forward to meeting him. This is the second time he'll be visiting us, and we are eagerly waiting for him.
And also, the tourism factor is also booming. So what it means for the Indian tourists who will be visiting here after this visit, will it get stronger?
Definitely, yes. When the bilateral ties increase and improve, definitely there is an upsurge in the tourism both from India as well as from Thailand to India.
And ma'am, I'll also be asking you the same question, what it means for you. The Prime Minister is coming, how important is this for you?
It's a very proud moment for all of us Indian diasporas living here. I'm from Karnataka. So we see this as the friendship getting stronger and stronger as the year goes by. And we see Modi as a leader who's also not just coming and establishing a relationship here, but he's helping these nations also in terms of leadership. So we are contributing, and as Indian, I'm feeling very proud today standing here that we are the country that we are living in for our country's Prime Minister is coming and then leading an activity like this is really a proud moment for us.
And also, ma'am, I'll be asking you what it means for the two countries' partnership. India and Thailand, they have a very strong historical connection, and now it is going to get stronger also with Prime Minister coming, inviting by the Thai PM. Many such events going to happen, bilateral meetings. What it means for both the countries, rather.
See, actually, this is a bridge that Modi is building between two of the countries, and the culture is very same. The Thailand and India goes hands in hand. The culture is same. We are staying here since last 21 years, and we are saying the same culture. Of course, Modi ji के आने के बाद ये और बढ़ने वाला है, and we are happy for that. I'm Vaishali from VHP Thailand, and I'm the president of VHP. Thank you.
And again, I'll ask you the same question. How are you feeling? Prime Minister will be here. Are you excited? What is going on?
It is an honor to be present at a moment where one of the greatest leaders of the world is visiting us. Modi ji, in all the decades that he has ruled, has proved that India has the potential to emerge as a superpower. And his visit here and his meeting with other premiers of other countries proves that he has got that leadership skill. And for us to be, honoring him, to be just having a glimpse of him, means a moment of immense pride.
Jai Shri Ram. And ma'am, for you again the same question. How are you excited? What is going in your mind? The Prime Minister will be coming.
बहुत उत्साह है क्योंकि मोदी जी आ रहे हैं और मोदी जी का जो थाई और भारत के बीच की मैत्री सूत्र है जो भी वो इस बैठक के अंदर करने वाले हैं उनके सारे उद्देश्य पूरे हों हम यही